हेलो दोस्तों, वेलकम टू एपिसोड 2 ऑफ आवर सीरीज 3। जो नई सीरीज हमने शुरुआत की है दोस्तों, जहां वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट कोऑर्डिनेट ज्योमेट्री फंडामेंटल्स। वेलकम टू दिस प्रेजेंटेशन फ्रॉम राइजिंग पर्ल। ना दोस्तों, हम हैं आपके होस्ट, आपके दोस्त रॉय। आज है हमारी एपिसोड नंबर 2 एंड स्पेसिफिकली आज हम सीखेंगे व्हाट इज कार्टेशियन सिस्टम। सो आइए चलिए दोस्तों, लेट अस गेट स्टार्टेड। नाउ हमने हमारी लास्ट प्रेजेंटेशन, जो लास्ट एपिसोड थी दोस्तों, उसमें हमने देखी थी कि द आइडिया ऑफ रिप्रेजेंटिंग एग्जैक्ट लोकेशन ऑफ ए पॉइंट इन अ प्लेन, समटाइम्स वो हाउ डिफिकल्ट दैट इज। एंड वी ऑल्सो सॉ दैट रेने डेकार्ट्स was a great French mathematician and philosopher, जिन्होंने he was the first person who solved the problem of describing the position of a point in a plane. And the system in his honor, the system used for describing this, इसे हम कहते हैं कार्टेशियन सिस्टम। एंड आज है हमारी the whole episode is basically devoted to talk about what is a Cartesian system. So now दोस्तों चलिए we will look into the details now. So René Descartes, what he suggested was, he actually invented, and friends, believe it or not, this he did in his sleep. So he was really a great mathematician. Now what he invented, what he described was that he said, कोई भी अगर आप पॉइंट लेते हो, मान लीजिए this is a paper and then there is a point here. Let us call this point P1, right? So what he said was, कोई भी अगर point है in the plane, what we can do is we can actually draw two straight lines. We can draw two straight lines which are perpendicular to each other, right? मान लीजिए this is a line L and this is a line M. So he said we can draw any two pair of straight lines which are perpendicular to each other, and then we can describe the location of this point in reference to these two lines. So आइए दोस्तों, let us basically talk about this one more time. So what René Descartes he suggested was, आप कोई भी you can draw any pair of two straight lines, right? So and then these are lines, you know, like we just said, these are perpendicular lines, pair of perpendicular straight lines. And he said any point अगर यहाँ पे है, this is P2, this is P3, this is P4, and this could be P5, right? So what René Descartes he suggested was that कोई भी point in a plane अगर होती है, तो if you draw any two perpendicular straight lines, so the point की location can be described with reference to those two straight lines. So what does this mean दोस्तों? So यहाँ पे we have, like, you know, point P2, P3, P4, P5, all of these points. So what does this idea translate into? मतलब हम कैसे करके we can say that what is the location of each of these points, right? Now दोस्तों, so let us continue to explore this further. So यहाँ पे what we have drawn is, we have drawn a number line. We have drawn a number line जहाँ पे, you know, this is your origin at 0, right? And this is the positive side. यहाँ पे the line is going in the positive direction to plus infinity, right? And यहाँ पे negative direction में it is going to minus infinity. And चलिए दोस्तों, let us call this, like, this end as x, and we will call this end as x dash, right? Now what we will also do, friends, is that we will draw a vertical number line. Again, this is a number line. Basically we have drawn it, you know, instead of drawing a horizontal number line, यहाँ पे हमने एक vertical number line draw की है. And exactly the same way you have 0 in the middle, which is the origin. अभी ऊपर की तरफ as you go, you are going to plus infinity, and then if you go to the bottom, you will go to minus infinity. अभी ऊपर के साइड को दोस्तों let us call this as y, and नीचे के साइड को let us call this as y dash. Now these are just conventions दोस्तों, we will come to that in a minute, क्योंकि y we are calling it x and x dash, and y we are calling y and y dash, right? So now, so what we have done यहाँ पे friends is that we have simply drawn दो number line, एक horizontal, एक vertical, and then what now we will do is, so Rene basically suggested, he suggested that अगर आपको एक point की location चाहिए, so you have to get two perpendicular straight lines, right? And then we can tell the location of the point in relation to these two straight lines. So अभी हमने यहाँ पे दो number line ऐसे करके ली है. Now next दोस्तों हम क्या करेंगे is that we will now combine these two number lines. So we have what we have done दोस्तों is that we have basically kept जो हमारी x थी, जो हमारी horizontal number line थी, we kept them as it is, and जो y number line थी side में, we moved it on x in such a fashion that जो y की जो mid point थी, जो origin थी basically. So if you go back again यहाँ पे, so we are going to move this number line y on to x in such a way दोस्तों that ये जो zero है, this origin will coincide with this origin. We want to move this number line on this number line in such a way that this origin will coincide with this origin, and then दोस्तों we will get two perpendicular straight lines, right? So that is essentially what we have done here. So now अभी we have a pair of perpendicular straight lines, right? And हमारी जो convention है दोस्तों अभी so we have, so ये जो point of intersection है दोस्तों, इसे हम कहते हैं origin, and इसे हम represent करते हैं with O, uppercase O. Now ये जो भी O से जो right hand side में है x में, इसे we call it as x, and ये थी हमारी x dash, right? So we have x dash, and यहाँ पे similarly we have y, and we have y dash. Now, so दोस्तों now, so what we have done is we have actually we are trying to develop जो Rene Descartes उन्होंने जो कहा था as to how we can draw or we can tell the location of a point. We are actually expanding that step by step. So अभी we have got a pair of perpendicular straight line जहाँ पे so we have x dash horizontal line, we have y dash vertical line, and intersection है origin. Now दोस्तों few things यहाँ पे we want to highlight to you. अभी आप देखोगे ये जो x dash है दोस्तों, इसे we call it x axis. ये जो x dash है, इसे we call it x axis. Similarly, ये जो y dash line है, इसे as you can imagine we call it y axis. So this is our y axis, right? और ये जो origin है, which is we represent this by uppercase O or letter O. This is actually the point 0. Now आप ये भी notice करोगे दोस्तों, आप 0 से as you move towards the right on x, you get all the positive numbers of the number line, right? Similarly, अगर आप 0 से if you start going to the left, you will get all the negative numbers. So आप O dash, O x dash जब जाते हो, you get all the negative numbers, -1, -2, -3 करके. Similarly दोस्तों, अगर आप O से if you move up towards y, you get all the positive y values, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 करके. And similarly, अगर आप O से if you go down y dash, you get all the negative numbers, right? So these are some of the very basics दोस्तों that you have to be very comfortable with. आपको अच्छे से इनको ध्यान में रखना है, because once we know these details, उसके बाद we will go into the exact idea of कैसे करके हम एक point को describe करते हैं. So अब तक दोस्तों आपको मालूम है, because हमने यहाँ पे दो number line ली है, so these are all separated, equally distant में है. जैसे कि हम एक number line लेते हैं, normal number line, वहाँ पे you would have 0 and then 1, 2, 3 करके, right? At a unit distance पे आप you mark them, and then you get 1, 2, so on so forth, and on the left hand side you get -1, -2 करके. So that is exactly how you have it over here, right? Now एक और चीज that is something which is important friends, is that आप यहाँ पे नोटिस करोगे अभी जब हमने ऐसे करके एक परपेंडिकुलर पेयर ऑफ परपेंडिकुलर लाइंस ड्रॉ की है दोस्तों, वी आर सडनली रियलाइजिंग दैट इट हैज एक्चुअली डिवाइडेड जो हमारी पूरी स्पेस थी, जो पूरी हमारी इस ये जो प्लेन है, इसे वी हैव एक्चुअली डिवाइडेड इनटू 4 क्वाड्रेंट्स, क्वाड्रेंट 1, क्वाड्रेंट 2, क्वाड्रेंट 3 एंड क्वाड्रेंट 4. सो क्वाड्रेंट का मतलब है दोस्तों, द वर्ड क्वाड्रेंट, क्वाड्रेंट इसका मतलब है एक्चुअली 1/4, राइट. सो 1/4, सो इसके लिए क्वाड्रेंट कहते हैं. एंड क्वाड्रेंट 1 एंड द यहां पे अगर आप इफ यू थिंक अबाउट इट दिस वे, एंड द कन्वेंशन इज, आप मान लीजिए यहां से एज यू मूव, ये है आपकी एक मूविंग आर्म, एज यू मूव टू द एंटी क्लॉकवाइज डायरेक्शन you get quadrant 1, quadrant 2, quadrant 3, quadrant 4. So इसके लिए यहाँ पे आप नोटिस करोगे कि आप ये जो हमारे OX है, this is OX, this is OX dash, and ये है OY, and ये है OY dash, right? So X dash हमारी X axis है, Y dash हमारी Y axis है, और हमारी जो origin है, this is origin, इसे हम कहते हैं, we represent by uppercase O, and this is our origin, right? So हम origin से, so ये हमारी base है, OX is our base. जब हम यहां से we move in the anti-clockwise direction, so पहली quadrant को कहते हैं quadrant 1, and as we continue to move to the next quadrant, ये है हमारी quadrant 2, then we continue to move, we get quadrant 3, and then as we come back we get quadrant 4, right? So that is the convention दोस्तों. Now, so these are some of the very basic things, friends, that you have to be very clear about. These are the very basics of Cartesian system. And then also we wanted to make sure that we highlight these things ताकि आप अच्छे से समझ जाओ, and then we are going to tell you exactly कैसे करके we find out the location of a point. यहाँ पे दोस्तों before we wrap up, एक और चीज that we wanted to share with you is that ये जो plane है, or on this paper that we have drawn this pair of straight lines perpendicular to each other. Now इस plane को we call it Cartesian plane. कभी कभी we call it Cartesian plane, or sometimes we call it coordinate plane. Coordinate plane, या फिर sometimes we call it simply XY plane. So ये terms दोस्तों important है because this is the first time आप coordinate geometry के बारे में सीख रहे हो. We want to make sure we cover all of these very basic things ताकि as we continue to move forward you will be able to understand हम किसे कब कहाँ रेफर कर रहे हैं. Now चलिए दोस्तों, before we wrap up हम एक बार quick sum up करना चाहते हैं इसे. Few important points that we have learnt about Cartesian system अब तक is that x dash is called x axis, y dash is called y axis. Then हमने देखा origin is a point of intersection of x axis and y axis. Origin को हम denote करते हैं by letter O. Now OX and OY are positive directions of x axis and y axis respectively, right? And then OX dash and OY dash are negative directions of x and y axis respectively. अभी x axis and y axis they divide the plane into 4 quadrants, quadrant 1, 2, 3, 4. So हम anti clockwise direction में जैसे move करते हैं we get quadrant 1, quadrant 2, quadrant 3 and quadrant 4. The plane is called Cartesian plane, coordinate plane or simply xy plane. Now दोस्तों, कभी कभी आप सोचोगे कि अगर आपको एक पेपर दी जाती है simply, right? If you have a piece of paper and आप कैसे करके if you put like any two perpendicular lines, कैसे करके you divide it into 4 quadrants. So the way दोस्तों you have to think about this is this, right? आपको मालूम है कि अगर हम lines draw करते हैं, वो line it can go till infinity in all directions, right? So मान लीजिए अगर ऐसे करके हमने ऐसे draw की थी हमारी जो two lines है, so these actually extend infinity in all directions, right? So इसका मतलब ये हुआ जब कभी आप एक ऐसे करके आप quadrant draw करोगे, automatically it will divide the plane into 4 different quadrants, right? ना कभी कभी आप ये भी सोचोगे कि मान लीजिए अगेन वी टेक अ पीस ऑफ पेपर एंड देन मान लीजिए आप ऐसे करके अगर ड्रॉ करते हो क्वाड्रेंट वर्सेस कोई अगर इफ ही और शी ड्रॉज द क्वाड्रेंट इंस्टेड ऑफ लाइक दिस, अगर वो ऐसे करके ड्रॉ करते हैं, देन इज इट द सेम और इज इट डिफरेंट? ना दोस्तों, दे आर ऑल बेसिकली द सेम इन द सेंस दैट जस्ट दैट मान लीजिए जब कभी आपको नंबर लाइन बनानी होती है, राइट, यू कैन ड्रॉ ए नंबर लाइन इन दिस फैशन एंड आप कह सकते हो दिस इज माई 0, दिस इज 1, दिस इज 2, दिस इज 3, राइट? सिमिलरली आपके जो दोस्त हैं, what he or she can do is he can draw the same number line, right? But he or she can say this is 0 and this is 1, this is 2, etc. मतलब पॉइंट ये है दोस्तों that as long as आप एक नंबर लाइन बनाने के वक्त you know make sure that all the units are equally spaced out on positive negative directions, that is the most important thing. So अगर आप whether you put your the Cartesian the coordinate the x y axes आप ऊपर पेज के ऊपर बनाओ पेज के नीचे बनाओ, the whole idea is basically the same, and we will continue to explore this further जब हम now in the next episode we will talk about exactly how we can now locate a point using what we have learned in this Cartesian system webisode. आज के लिए इतना ही दोस्तों, अगले एपिसोड में फिर मिलेंगे, तब तक के लिए शुक्रिया, धन्यवाद।